Welcome back. Thousands of Indian internet users will be hit by a blackout on Monday as the Federal Bureau of Investigation shuts down temporary domain name system, that's DNS. These servers are associated with a malware called DNS Charger. They were put in place of rogue servers operated by hackers.
DNS is an internet services that allows computers to talk to each other. DNS Charger is a malware, a malicious software created to gather sensitive information. This software changes the domain name system, that's DNS settings, on the compromised computer. According to estimates from US government agencies, about 250,000 computers are still infected with the malware worldwide. With 21,302 unique infected internet protocols or IP addresses, India is among the third largest DNS changer malware infected country. The US tops the list with 65,000 infected IPs, followed by Italy with 26,494 infected addresses. FBI had set July 9th as the deadline to clean the DNS changer malware. Hence, on Monday, July 9th, a large number of internet users across the world who are still infected by the malware will not be able to access internet. The blackout will not only impact Windows systems but also Mac users and people who have set up home routers. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Forest Department is examining a proposal to seek inscription of the Goa stretch of Western Ghats as World Heritage Site under UNESCO. Forest Minister Alina Saldana revealed this while celebrating 63rd Vana Mahotsav on Saturday. Goan stretch of Ghats is considered a hottest hotspots of biodiversity.
The Western Ghats, Goa sector, is known to be the hottest hotspots of biodiversity. Our PCCF, Mr. Richard D'Souza, and his Forest Department team is looking into the minute details for informing the MOEF for the inscription of Western Ghats, Goa sector as a World Heritage Site.
Alina was speaking at the Vana Mahotsav festival organized at Our Lady of Remedios Chapel, Kueli. Gujarati Samaj Educational Trust for Handicapped celebrated Vana Mahotsav 2012 in their school premises. Fatoda MLA Vijay Sardesai was the chief guest for the function. He commemorated the day by planting a sapling.
If we grow one tree and take care of it within the span of 5 years, I am not talking about growing one tree every day. I am talking about growing one tree and taking care of it for 5 years. I think if I can inspire every household in Fatorda to grow 6,750 trees in 5 years, I think I have done much of a service.
Miracles High School at Sange also celebrated the Vana Mahotsav 2012. Sange MLA Subhash Faldesai was the chief guest for the function.
If you think of difficulties in the beginning of you start the job, then you are not going to start. If you see the rough sea also, the ship doesn't sink unless the water gets into it. What I mean to say is, if you are positive and no negative thoughts drops in your mind, until then you will surely succeed.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
A complaint has been registered with Chikli Panchayat that Abhishek Engineers, a shipyard owner, is carrying out illegal filling along the river Zuari. Panchayat says the owner has been asked to furnish all the details within 15 days. However, there are allegations that the Panchayat is hand in gloves with the shipyard owner.
Have a look at this. Local villagers of Chikali complained that Abhishek Engineers, a shipyard owner, has been carrying out illegal land filling along the Zuari river. Sources say the land filling is on for a proposed expansion of the shipyard.
No authority will give you permission, first of all, for mud filling into the river Zuari, first of all. And he's keeping on extending over there. He's even blasted some rocks and all over the place. And it is right below that National Highway 17A. They are there, first of all, to safeguard the interests of the villagers. And first of all, the villagers should be shielded, not the owners of such a shipyard. It is the interest of the villagers.
Chikali Panchayat local villagers, members of Chikali Village Action Committee, Flying Squad were denied access to the area. Panchayat issued a stop order to the work. However, the land filling is still going on.
आणि आमी ते चोयल ते गेले फिलिंग हमारे जाल्ला आमी आनी आमकां जाय जाणांनी आमगे विलेजीसांनी कंप्लेन केलें म्हूण आमचें चोवपाक गेलें आनी जाल्यार खरें जालो आहा पूण आमी ताका रोखडी नोटीस हांव जेन्ना हें केलें रोखडी नोटीस धाडली ताका हेजे मागीर तेणें म्हाका कितें म्हणलें आपल्याक सगलें आहा आपल्या कडेन तुमकां जाय जाल्यार आपण हें करता मागीर हांवें ताका सांगिल्लें तूं केदो पावता आमकां सगलें दाखोवपाक आपण म्हणपा लागलो आपल्याक 15 days दी म्हणपा लागलो.
However, there are allegations that the Panchayat and shipyard owner are hand in glove. A reporter from Chikalim, Surendra Matkekar.
Betalbati private vehicle operators claim that they are being harassed by the RTO. The operators who provide services of pick and drop to school children claim that they need some time to upgrade their vehicles. The agitated operators are annoyed with the RTO for imposing fines.
Private operators at Betalbati in Salset are annoyed with the RTO chalaning them. These operators provide services of pick-up and drop-offs to school children. Transport Department has issued them notice to upgrade the vehicles. However, operators claim that they need some time.
They are saying you upgrade your vehicle. But then to upgrade our vehicle, they have to give us some time. They are just putting fine on us. 2,000 fine, whatever comes on their way, they just take it from us. Okay, without even giving us an intimation that, see, this notice, we will give you a notice and all those things. They should give us some time, no, to upgrade our vehicles. Because see, we are doing this for our daily bread. Nobody is this. We are all sick people. There are some very sick. I am a cancer patient.
They claim that this is nothing but harassment by the transport authorities.
मागी म्हाका तुगे गाडी रेजिस्टर कर हांवें म्हणून म्हगे गाडी प्रायवेट मागीर म्हणूं लागलो प्रायवेटा देखून ते वचोन आरटीओ मेळ आनी आमी भुरग्यां हाडटाय तिंगा भास ते ना एक्चुअली हांव भुरग्यां हाडटी ना भास ना एक टॅक्सी ना नाल्यार येन तेम थंयचें एक टॅक्सी देखून ना आमगे कोलयें भासां कोलयें भुरग्यां हाडटा सात भितरल्यान रोड एक देखून टॅक्सी ना आनी भास ना भुरग्यां हाडटी ना इतलेंच.
They have now decided to petition the new MLA Miki Pacheco for his intervention. Our reporter from Betalbati, Savio Das.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.